How to unrepost on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can remove a repost on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove a repost on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and open up TikTok, right? So let's say that you found a specific video, you tapped on the share icon from the bottom right, then you went ahead and then accidentally clicked on the repost option here. So basically, once you've reposted it, one of the quickest ways to go ahead and remove that repost is to simply tap on the share button again and then find the option called remove repost, in this case by just tapping on it. But let's say that you missed the option to remove the repost because you've scrolled through so many videos, you want to find that video again and then remove the repost, right? So in this case, I'll show you in this video. I'll just tap on the share icon, then I'll tap on repost, and I have reposted this video, right? And let's say I missed this video, I have opened TikTok many times after that, I want to remove this repost. All you have to do is for that, just come to the profile icon here, then tap on the three lines icon from the top right, then go to settings and privacy. Then you have to look for the option called watch history. Depending upon the update, the interface could be a little bit different. In this case, you can see comment and watch history. Just make sure to tap on comment and watch history. So basically, you'll be able to see your watch history at the very top. Just tap on it. Now over here, you have to look for the video that you reposted. In my case, it was over here, right? This is the video I reposted earlier. So I missed it from my feed or my For You page, but I can find them in my watch history, and I can still remove the repost by tapping on the share icon next to it. And here you'll find the option called remove repost, so you can just tap on the remove repost button. And now you can see, even if you have missed the video, you can go ahead and then remove the repost. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then unrepost on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.